Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use text-to-speech on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application and you can open up one of your chat on Discord. For example, I'm going to use the text-to-speech feature for this message. So I'm going to select the message like this and we're going to click on this more option. Alright, and then here you will see the option called speak message and you're going to click on this option to activate the text-to-speech for your message. Okay.
Marl said check.
Okay, and I'm going to try to apply the text-to-speech to this message. Okay, I'm going to click on speak message.
Marl said hello.
Alright, and that's easy, right? You just need to select the text and then select the more options and choose speak message. And the text will speak for you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use text-to-speech on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!